everyone, and welcome to your practice. Let's start by standing with our legs shoulder width apart, with our toes pointing forward, and just going to soften your knees. And we're going to start with knocking on the door of life. So you're going to turn from your hips and your waist and allow your arms to wrap around the belly and the low back. Look over your shoulders so you get that full rotation of your spine. Deep breath in through your nose and exhale out through your mouth. Knocking on the door of life activates key pressure points in the lower body. Now let's tap across the chest. So just below your collarbone, in the corner of your chest, tapping on key lung points that benefits the lungs and the immune system. So again, moving from your center, allow your spine to be long and allow your shoulders to be nice and relaxed. Now let's tap on the shoulder base of your neck, activating key pressure points here. These points are related to stress. So when we're stressed, we tend to hold a lot of tension in the neck and shoulders. And tapping on these points can go a long way in releasing tension and tightness there. Let's go back down to the chest. And then back to your waist. And then allow your movement to slowly unwind until you are still. So that's a wonderful exercise to open up the low back, open up the joints of your spine. Now let's do another exercise that opens up the joints of the spine as well as the low back and stretches out the liver meridian. So, we talk about anger and frustration. This stretch helps to release anger and frustration along the meridians of the liver and the gallbladder. So you're going to reach your arms up towards the sky. And as you do so, you're going to drop really into your knees, so your knees are soft. You're going to curl your tailbone slightly under, so from the side. It's just a slight tuck of that tailbone. And then from here, you're just going to reach up, one arm at a time, giving yourself a nice stretch from your fingertips all the way down to the waist and the low back. This is a wonderful exercise to do if you're sitting for long periods of time. What is it they say about sitting? That sitting is the new smoking, right? Spending too much time sitting is not very good for your health. Deep breath in and out. Feel that wonderful stretch. When we stretch out the muscles between the ribs, it allows us to take deeper breaths. Good. Now reach both arms up and then allow the arms to open out and down. Now draw your shoulders down and feel your fingers pull back. And then tuck your chin slightly so the back of your neck is long. And then bring your right ear to your right shoulder. So as you bring your ear to your shoulder, feel that nice stretch along the side of your neck. And then also feel that wonderful stretch through your forearms. So if you're someone, again, who sits for long periods of time at a desk or you're on the computer a lot, this is a wonderful exercise for you. All right, so you're opening up the neck and shoulders, upper back, as well as your forearms. Now from here, you're just going to rotate the head forward and then gently back, rolling over that shoulder, feeling that nice stretch along the side of the neck, as well as along the back, and then the front as well. Breathing in through the nose, and then exhale out through your mouth. So when we exhale out through the mouth, it gives us an opportunity to release emotional energy, detoxifying the body of negative emotional energy. That negative emotional energy that is trapped in the muscles. Now from here, you'll bring your chin to your chest and you'll roll your head over to the other side, feeling that nice stretch on the other side. Now just notice if you are tighter on this side, or perhaps a little bit more loose on this side. Very often one side is a little different from the other. So just notice it, be aware. Tune into what's going on within your body. And with each breath, see if you can relax and release and let go of any tension you're holding on the right side of your neck. Good. Now you'll bring your chin to your chest. You relax your arms and then lift your head. Go ahead and shake out your arms. So the next exercise we'll do is the dragon neck stretch. It's another way to move the neck. And instead of rotation, or instead of a side bend, it's actually more rotation. So let's start with the arms and the hands over to your right. Notice that one hand is a little higher than the other. Look towards the palm of your hand. So I'm trying to bring my head, my chin, as close or to the line of my shoulder as I can, comfortably. Take a deep breath here. And then as you exhale, you'll turn the palms to face away. You'll lengthen through your arms and you'll look in the opposite direction. Now as you look in the opposite direction, can you get your chin in line with your shoulder? Try not to force it, but know that that's the goal ultimately. Now, turn the head, turn the palms of your hands, take a deep breath in through your nose, and then exhale out through the mouth as you press away, and then you look away. Now reach through the heel of your hands. Notice that I'm not locking my elbows as I extend the arms. Again, inhale, look to the palms, and then exhale. Let's do that twice more. And one more time. Now keep looking away from your hands and keep reaching through the heel of your hands. Now what I would like for you to do is to lower the arms a bit. So this right arm is going to reach down a bit, pull the fingers back a little bit more and feel that shoulder drop down. And then notice the change in the stretch along the forearms and through the hands all the way to your fingertips. Good. Now look towards your palm again and relax your arms. Shake them out. And let's do the same thing on the other side. So the arms go out to your left and you look to the left. Take a deep breath. And then as you exhale, press away and look away. And inhale. Look into your palms. And exhale. So this is a wonderful exercise to open up the joints of the spine, particularly your cervical vertebra, right? Vertebrae. Right? You have 7 of them. So you are opening up those joints. As well as stretching out the muscles and the tendons in the forearms and the hands. Let's do this twice more. One more time. Good. Now keep looking over your right shoulder. Lower the arms down a bit. Pull the fingers back a little bit more. Draw the right shoulder down a bit more. And just feel that stretch through your left arm in particular. Feel that nice stretch in the neck as well. Good. And now let's look towards the palms again. And then relax the arms down. Shake them out.